Welcome to JavaScript Challenge. 1000 things you can do with JavaScript. Let's get right into it. Number 2, how to use JavaScript to change the value of HTML attributes. For example, let us change image source. So the first thing you want to do is to create a paragraph and put in whatever text you want to use to represent that paragraph. For me, the second thing you can do with JavaScript, okay? And then I will create another paragraph. And this paragraph, I'm saying we will change the value of HTML content of this attribute. So enter the second paragraph, we will change the value of an HTML attribute. For example, you know what it is? We're changing the source image, src. Number 3, you need to create a button. Create a button and initiate the onClick element document.getElement by ID. I'm making a mistake on purpose, which is my ID is IAMGE instead of IMAGE. I've downloaded these two pictures which I want to use, happy emoji. So copy the name of that and then place it inside your source and always add the file extension which is .png. So in my button I say I'm happy. The second image, which I'm going to call the ID, is image. Now you can notice that this my ID as image, but the previous image is IAMG, so definitely it won't work. But let's just go ahead, we will rectify that later. So open a source and copy the second name for the picture you want to use. So this sad emoji PNG file. Let us style this image. Let's give it a width of, let's say, 150 pixel. Now, for the sake of time, just copy the first line 11 code and paste it on line 13. Change the name on the source file to the second emoji, the sad emoji. Change that button to I'm sad. I'm sad. Now we have this. You refresh it. Second things you can do with JavaScript, we will change the value of HTML attribute. For example, change an image source. If we click this, it's not going to work simply because our ID is contradicting each other. Then change this ID to image. Now if you refresh, this should work. I'm happy and I'm sad. See that? Subscribe to JavaScript Challenge 1000 things you can do. See you on the next one. Bye.